When it comes to flowering and fruiting plants, it's easy to focus on producing more blooms and more fruit. But the real key lies in building stronger, healthier plants, ones that develop higher quality flowers that last longer and fruit that develops to its full potential.
Sudden Impact for Roses is a complete, organic-based, nutritionally boosted fertiliser specifically designed for roses and all other flowering and fruiting plants. It increases plant vigour, growth and overall plant health. Apply Sudden Impact for Roses concentrate to established plants during spring, summer and autumn every 4 weeks.
Just add 1 capful, around 40 millilitres, into a 10-litre watering can, then top it up with water to dilute. The microbes within Sudden Impact for Roses are in a sleeping state until diluted, so be sure not to miss this step. Apply to the soil around the plants where the microbes are most effective. For best results, do this when UV levels are low. The mixture remains effective for up to a week after dilution.
Sudden Impact for Roses concentrate is packed with the same great nutrients as the pelletized version. Plus it has 13 specifically selected beneficial microbes that help boost plant growth and resilience.
Its liquid form makes nutrition immediately available, helping your flowering plants to take up what they need and thrive with strong, vibrant blooms.
For more information, visit the Nutrog website or call into your local garden centre to shop the Nutrog range.